We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. In this series, we will be joining 6 other channels each month to discuss topics about RV life.
Meet our Collab team, Ron and Jody from Just Ramblin' Around, David and Tina from RV Wagon Tales, Mike and Tony from RV Sunsets, Mike and Shelley with Camping with the Confers, Jedediah and Lenny from Live to Journey, and Danny and Lynn from RV America. Be sure to check out their channels as well as join us each month.
So we're at Denver Airport and we're just getting ready to edit our video, games that RVers play.
And I unfortunately left my camera in the car.
We kind of had a crazy morning getting here, and
we were supposed to have a ride, and something happened and we weren't able to get a ride. So last minute we had to figure out what to do, and we didn't have really any time to think about anything. So we were rushing, got to the airport, we had to drive and park, and of course when we get here our alarm goes off on our truck. So we're praying to God that nothing is stolen from it.
Fingers crossed.
We didn't have any time to take anything out, and we'll let you know. We'll put it in the comments below if everything's okay. But anyway, so we forgot half the footage. We don't have half of the games. But the way we did this challenge is we decided to compete against each other. So we played 7 games. 3 of them I do have on film, but the other 4 unfortunately are on the other camera. So I'm not going to be able to put them games up. But we did compete against each other, and the winner, or the loser had to play a game with you guys. And that is the game 2 Truths and a Lie. So just stay tuned to the end of the video and see who wins.
Our first game is this Jenga game. We got this for our retirement / going away party.
Everyone had to write a comment on every block,
so that we would remember them anytime we played the game. So it's pretty cool. Some are rated R because we have sick, twisted family. So we can't read them out loud, but the rest of them, we'll read some of them out loud for you just to get
Just putting it together, I saw a few in there that were pretty freaking hilarious.
Yeah. So anyway, this is our first game. Wish me luck, guys. Girl power.
God power. We got this.
Who's going first?
Ladies first.
I'm like nervous. Love you both, Dad. Love you both, Dad. That's from his dad. Or my dad. I don't know what dad, but thank you, Dad, whatever dad it was.
Nice dad, by the way. I love you too. Sharon and Joe, you are the best. I love you both. Love, Carrie and
Jason.
Doesn't look like Jason. It looks like Luke. Love always, your friend Carrie.
Okay.
Nice, Carrie.
Thanks, Carrie.
This one says, love you, Grandma, from G.
Oh, she just said to me?
Yep.
Oh, that's my granddaughter. How sweet. I guess she doesn't like her grandpop.
This challenge could be funnier than we thought. Two kisses with tongue. 2 kisses.
Okay.
Who wrote that one? Come clean, tell us who wrote that one. You have to do 2 kisses with tongue?
I don't know, I guess so. 2 kisses.
Gross.
And we have a loser. It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
No, you're not. No. No. No, no. No, I do.
We're both on 1 second.
No. I didn't even get a chance to go.
You did. You went 1 time.
I did not.
You did.
I am not happy with you right now. He's gonna get his butt kicked. I don't even think there's any stars in here. Yeah, I got it. Ready? 3. You're gonna die about this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Damn. I can't even compete with that.
I am the champion.
A run of 10 wins every time. The next game we're playing is called Mexican Train.
I'll look at my cards.
I didn't look at the cards.
My dominoes. Anyway, this game we used to play with our kids when they were little all the time. It was a really fun game to play and pretty simple. We'll give you all the instructions below for any of these games so you can learn how to play them as well, but it's really a fun game. Ow. Game 2, me.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
So the games that we don't have on film because it's left in our car is we first played pool because at our campgrounds we have a lot of games that we could play there, and that's usually often how we play games. We use the activity center or the lounge, and we played pool. And Joe really should have won because he killed me, but what did you do at the end?
I scratched on the 8.
So he lost that one. And then we played Cornhole, and
I won.
he kicked my butt in that
I actually
game.
won a game, believe it or not.
And then we played Beer Pong.
And
You won.
I won again.
He won by a lot too, so he was lucky there. And then we played Flip Cup, and I kicked his butt. Yes,
Yeah,
I did.
she kicked my butt at Flip Cup.
Yep. So, anyway, stay tuned to see who the winner is.
Stay tuned.
You're there when you start.
1, 2, 3.
Yes! There you go. Damn it. Spilled it all over me. You already got it?
It was the first one. It was first.
I spilled all over you. Oh my god, I spilled all over me too. Oh! Go, 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 Ron, go!
Here we go.
Oh!
Yes!
So the winner is not, it's me.
Yeah, I lost this challenge. So I have to come up with these 3 things, right? 2 of them are truth, 1 of them's a lie. Guess the lie. First thing, we never poop in our RV toilet. Truth or lie? Number 2, I might have gotten in trouble when I was a kid for shooting a paintball gun with a police car. Third one, Sharon was my first kiss. Pick the lie.
Yep, definitely leave your comments below and we will do a drawing to see who wins the prize and we will send it out to you, one of the games that we played today. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out the other channels on this list and we'll see you next time.
See you next week.
Bye.